Number 10. TESMEC 1375. This is an Italian-made bucket wheel trencher with a high output rate. It's used in utility projects to trench dirt or rocky soils. It enables the installation of electrical wiring or big diameter pipes and can quickly dig extensive trenches. It also has a 540 horsepower engine that can operate at a speed of more than 3 kilometers per hour and trenches up to 3 meters deep. So if you want to dig a really big hole, you got the right machine for you. Number 9. TESMEC 1675 EVO. Also from the same Italian company, this is a high-capacity chain trencher. It's made to operate well in composite hard rock soils. It has an electronic monitoring and control system and can have a double or triple chain. It is utilized while installing large diameter pipes and digging deep trenches for aqueducts or drainage systems. It has a whopping 760 horsepower engine and it can dig holes up to 7.3 meters deep. Number 8. Eagle 9700. This is a heavy-duty wheel trencher manufactured in the US. It is created to deliver good performance in a variety of soil situations. Think of it as a jack of all trades. Adding a gravel hopper and a drainage pipe installation system is also possible with it. Trenches can be dug by it for facilities like irrigation and foundations. Its engine generates 275 horsepower and allows it to dig trenches up to 2.7 meters deep. Plus, Eagle is a pretty cool name. Number 7. MAXX Trencher RC800-140. This is a chain trencher with a high output that was made in Spain. It seems like Europe is known for this. It has a movable chain and can build trenches with regular walls and bottoms. It is employed in water supply systems, wind energy projects, and solar energy projects. Think of this as a machine that can help us make ourselves more sustainable for the future. It is able to work with extreme precision. Number 6. TESMEC 1475 XL EVO. Here's another powerful chain trencher from the Italian manufacturer. It is made with low chain speed and great traction in mind. Slow and steady sometimes can still win the race. It can function in the most demanding circumstances and entrench soils with brittle and abrasive rocks. It is utilized in the deep installation of big pipe networks. It can dig holes up to 4.8 meters deep and has a 630 horsepower engine. Number 5. HYDRA MAXX 2520. This time we move to the American-made chain trencher, which offers a high level of efficiency. It is made to trench and install pipes in a single pass, maximizing efficiency and cost. With its huge tires, you have more mobility on the job site. Number 4. VERMEER T1055. This is another powerful chain trencher that was produced in the United States. This one is intended for tasks needing extensive installations. It is utilized for the highly precise installation of various pipes for aqueducts, gas pipelines, and sewers. It has an elevated cabin and remote control capabilities, as well as a 415 horsepower engine which allows it to dig trenches up to 3.6 meters deep. Number 3. Eagle ET6300. Back to the Eagle series, this trencher is a heavy-duty trapezoidal trencher manufactured in the United States. Of course, it can handle the most demanding jobs, plus it offers excellent production rates. And speaking of efficiency, it can work at a rate of 8 meters per second and is used to excavate medium-sized channels. In just a single pass, it can excavate and trim the channel cross-section. Its 275 horsepower engine allows it to dig holes up to 1.2 meters deep. At number 2, we have the TRENCOR T14. This is a highly effective chain trencher that was produced in the US. It is made to be highly durable and it can resist the toughest working conditions. Trenching is done using it when installing utilities. Its chain rotates at a pace of 100 meters per minute. Plus, it can move at a speed of 1.9 kilometers per hour. And at number 1, we have the VERMEER T655 rock wheel. This is a powerful rock saw trencher that was built in the US. It is made to perform at its best in hard rock soils. Talk about heavy duty. It enables the quick installation of pipes with modest diameters. It can be applied to various projects, including installing fiber optics and road lighting. It can cut trenches up to 2.4 meters deep and 25 centimeters wide, and features a 250 horsepower motor. And just like that, we've come to the end. But make sure to check out our recent videos on other amazing things such as electric cars, machines, and equipment. And you don't want to miss any of that, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. And if there are any machine kinds that you want us to cover and see a new video about, please just comment below and we'll make sure to make a video for you. With that, I bid you adieu, and we'll see you in our next video. Ta-ta!